today we're going to be doing a really fun haul video, and it's one of my favorite times of the year, and I think you can guess just from seeing this. So it is, again, the semi-annual sale. This is the summer sale for Bath & Body Works this year, and I couldn't help myself. I had to pick up a few things, and I didn't really have any specific thing I was going for this time. You know, sometimes I just really lock in on lotions or hand soaps or candles. This one is just kind of like a nice little mix of things. I don't think I ended up getting any candles though this year, but the sale is young, so we will see if I end up getting anything else from the sale, but this is my haul. Okay guys, so starting off, the first things that I got, these are something I've never tried before, and I saw that they had these on sale and I was like, you know what, why not just give it a try? And so they had their little wallflower plug-ins on sale, so I ended up getting 2 of them. Also, they're like my favorite color, this like soft baby pink color. They were $5, so I'm like, you know, I could definitely give this a go. So I think I'm gonna put one in my room and maybe like one in my kitchen or something. So I did get 2 of those. I have never used these before, so I'm interested to see if they are kind of like worth the hype. So next I got, of course, some of the wallflower refills. I ended up going with the raspberries and whipped vanilla scent. I just thought that sounded good. And of course it was a 2-pack, so it was perfect. So I can't wait to plug these in and try them out and really see what I think about them. And now moving on to like the kind of like Bath & Body products items. So I did get a couple hand sanitizer packs. I really like their little hand sanitizers. I think they're really cute and just like easy to like throw in a bag or keep in your car or something like that. And I really love when they do the little sets of them, especially when they do them in like the mixed scent. I think in the winter sale I ended up getting a 5-pack of, I can't remember the scent of it now, but I have it in my purse and I really, really like it. But it's nice to kind of have like a whole bunch of different scents. So I got these as well, and you can always use more hand sanitizer. So I can't remember what the name of the set was, but I believe it was like $4 and you get 5 of the hand sanitizers, which is just perfect because it's less than $1 a piece. So the first scent in this set is the Mango Papaya Paradise scent. These are kind of hard to smell like out of the bottle because you kind of just get the alcohol smell at first. Ooh, but that one does smell very good. Very good summer mix too. Sometimes I just always end up getting like off-season type things during their sales, but I got a lot of really good stuff this time. So the next scent is called Island Margarita. Then we have Pink Pineapple Sunrise. Then next up is Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. And then the last one from this set is called Turquoise Waters. So I definitely love having some hand sanitizers around, and now I've got plenty of different scents to choose from. And I did get a second set of the hand sanitizer. So this next set here, it looks like a couple of them kind of came just either a little like messy. I don't know if you can tell, but definitely looks like it's either been opened or just kind of like came loose in shipping. But either way, that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. And for this set, this one is called Pineapple Mango. Then we have Beautiful Day. This is another one that looks like it kind of came like a little, kind of like it spilled out a little, but that's okay. This one is Wild Berry Lemonade. I think I got something in that scent from my last haul. It would have been a hand wash, I think. The next one I got is called Radiant Sky. And the last one, I'm really excited about this one. This one is Strawberry Pound Cake. I'm a big fan of their Strawberry Pound Cake scent, so I'm gonna open this one up real quick and see how it smells. Oh, that one is gonna be my favorite. It has to be. It smells so good. So I'm pretty much set up on hand sanitizer for a while now. So the next thing I'm going to move on to are shower gels. I really love Bath & Body Works shower gels, and they last me a long time. I have been working on the same one for probably about 6 months now, and I feel like it's just never ending, but I'm finally getting close to the end, so I'll get to like switch it up and use a new scent now. But I love their shower gels. They are really, really good. So the first one I got here is called Sweet Petal Pound Cake. I've never tried this one before. This one is Candied Rose, Raspberry Swirl, and Frosted Bundt Cakes. That sounds delicious. That one smells soft. It is a little bit lighter than I was expecting, but definitely a really nice sweet kind of scent, so that one's gonna be good. This one's called Tutti Frutti Candy. This one is Sweet Jelly Beans, Mixed Berries, and Sugared Lemon. Yeah, just a generically like fruity sweet kind of smell, but I do like that one. Okay, so the next scent I got, I know this is probably gonna be the next one I use because I am a huge fan of this scent, and this one is Iced Lemon Pound Cake. I'm down to smell like an iced lemon pound cake, so I'm really excited about this one. The scent notes are sugary, glazed icing, pure lemon zest, and fluffy pound cake. It's even better than like than what you think it smells like. yeah, that's probably gonna be the next one I start using in my shower because I love that scent. I had the candle of it and I love that candle. It's a good scent. It's a really good scent. Next up, this one is called Watermelon Mojito. I think this one's really cute. I just like the look of it. And I don't think I've ever smelled this one before. This one is Watermelon Soda, Pink Rum, and Cane Sugar. Ooh, that one's really good too. It's not like an overstated watermelon, like a watermelon candy. Like this one kind of really just smells like more of a true authentic watermelon to me, with just like a little hint of a sweetness to it. So that one's gonna be really, really good. I think it's kind of more of like a fresh, fruity, just like with a little hint of a fruity one. So that will be a really nice one. I just had to get this one. Coconut, pineapple, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. So this one is shaved coconut, fresh pineapple, and sugarcane. Again, it smells like a freshly juiced pineapple. It smells so, so good. Another great like summery kind of shower scent. I might have to even just like pop back and forth between some of these, but I'm typically the person where like I like to just use one body wash, use it all the way through, and then get it out and done. I don't really like popping back and forth, but these all smell so good I might have to. Okay, so moving on to the Shea Butters. These are like my favorite of their lotions. I don't really love the ones that come in like the little bottle. I definitely prefer the ones that come in the tubes like this. So I definitely want to pick up some more of like their like true summery kind of scents, because usually I don't get too many of them, especially because a lot of the time I buy at the end of the year sale and they don't have any summer stuff really for then. It's mostly holiday stuff. So I wanted to have like a few super like just true summer scents to throw in the mix. Of course, I got the coconut pineapple scent as well, so I might even like coordinate these and like use them together to like really amp up the smell. So I got that one, and then of course I did get the watermelon mojito scent as well. This one that I got is called Sweet Petal Pound Cake. Of course, I don't think I planned on like getting all these to coordinate, but it seems like that was kind of what I was going for in my mind. And of course, iced lemon pound cake body butters. So those are the matching body butters and body washes that I got. And then the rest of these body butters are all scents I don't think I've ever smelled before. I don't think so. From the same kind of like collection for the summer, this one is Golden Mango Lagoon. I want to see this one. It is Sunny Mango, Saltwater Woods, and Coral Blooms. Ooh, that one's really good. This one almost smells a little peachy to me, but I like that. This next one, I don't think I've ever tried this one. It's called Indigo Dreams, and it looks like this. This one is Bergamot Water, Glowing Amber, and Warm Musk. This was kind of like my little wild card one. Ooh, what does this smell like? This smells very familiar to me. But it almost kind of smells like a nice luxury like face moisturizer to me. It smells quite nice. It's a little bit different than what I typically go for. Okay, this next one wasn't really as on sale as the other ones. Like most of the ones that I got were like $3 to $6 a piece. I think this one was like $8, maybe $8 or $9, which typically, first of all, my rule of Bath & Body Works is I never pay for anything full price ever. And then I always like to go for like the bottom of the barrel, like $3, $4, you know, type of products. But this one, I just really, really wanted it. And number one, it looked gorgeous, and the scent description of it just totally sounded like it was up my alley, and it is called Pastel Skies. Now, the name of this kind of sounds familiar, so I don't know if I've had this before. I do think that they have released this scent before, so I don't think it's like a new scent, but the description of this one is soft cloud berries, pink spun sugar, and coconut musk. And of course, it's like my two favorite colors. So this one, let's try this a little bit farther up my arm. I've got so many scents going on right now, it's like I need to kind of space them out a bit. That one's really good, but it's a little bit more subtle than I was expecting, which makes me believe I don't know if I've tried this one before, because I thought it smelled like something different. It's just not as like sweet and sugary and over the top like I thought it was going to be. It's a little bit more subdued. And I think the coconut is what's kind of helping it kind of simmer down a bit, but still a really nice scent. Okay, this next one is called Waikiki Beach Coconut. Again, I've never tried this one, but I just want to get like a pure like coconutty kind of scent. This one is Tropical White Coconut, Saltwater Breeze, and Sun Bleached Woods. All of these have got me like on like vacation mode, which I'm not even doing like a real vacation this year, which is kind of sad, but I think I'm just gonna have a low-key summer, and these lotions are definitely gonna get me in the mood. Okay, so these last three I got, the scent names alone were just more than enough to make me want to get these, and they're just so cute. I love the packaging of these. This first one here is called Whipped Coconut Milkshake, and that just sounds delicious. So this one is vanilla ice cream, toasted coconut, and sugared amber. The smell of this one reminds me of this coconut frozen yogurt that I get at this froyo place. It's just so delicious, so refreshing too. Okay, this next one is like me, just me. The name of it alone. This one's called Cotton Candy Clouds. I love cotton candy. I love the scent of cotton candy. I love the flavor of cotton candy. I am just a cotton candy girl. So this one is spun sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. Ah, that one is so good. This one might be like my favorite out of all of them. I just love any type of cotton candy something. It's definitely gonna be a win with me. All right, and the last one I got is called Fruity Sherbet Scoop. Just sounds delicious. This one is rainbow sherbet, zesty orange, and sun-kissed strawberry. I make a soap that is a rainbow sherbet scented soap, and it smells just like this, and it's so good. Now I'm gonna have to save one of those soaps for me so I can use it with this lotion to double up on the rainbow sherbet scent, because it is so accurate and it smells exactly the same as the fragrance oil that I use for that soap. All right, guys, so that is everything for my semi-annual sale Bath & Body Works haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.